Step 1. Fix the chair base with one hand and insert 5 wheels into the base. Step 2. Turn the assembled base over, and insert the gas lift and gas lift cover into the center of the base. Step 3. Unscrew the 4 pre-installed screws on the chair seat. Attach the tilt mechanism using the unscrewed 4 screws. Tighten with Allen wrench. Step 4. Insert the footrest frame set into the footrest holder, and then fix it with O-rings. Step 5. Unscrew the 3 pre-installed screws on the chair back. Attach the T-bar using the unscrewed 3 screws. Tighten with Allen wrench. Step 6. Carefully mount the gas lift onto the tilt mechanism. Flip the seat over and press down slightly on the seat. Step 7. Insert the assembled T-bar into the tilt mechanism and twist the button to hold it in place. Step 8. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on each side of the seat and back. Attach the armrests using the unscrewed screws. Tighten with Allen wrench. Next, install the screw covers. Step 9. Attach the massage lumbar pillow. Step 10. Attach the headrest. Adjust the seat height according to your body type. Backrest reclining function that allows you to recline up to 135 degrees. Slide the footrest out whenever you desire to. Thank you for choosing Ferghana. Just enjoy your gaming chair.